So what's your PPC approach in low converting season like after Q4? This is a very interesting question because the way how you phrase the question, it's low converting season. If you're selling supplements, Q1 is going to be the highest converting season for you, no matter what. Even if you're running super heavy ranking campaigns for your ads, now it's interesting to get healthy and get supplements in December because it's Christmas, everyone is going to enjoy themselves, everyone is going to eat a lot of food that is not necessarily the healthiest and enjoy family time. It's really important to acknowledge that there are certain products that are giftable that people are going to purchase in Q4. There are other products that are never going to move in Q4. Their best peak season, their Q4 season is going to be Q1. For example, even a scale. If you want to be mindful and have a goal that you want to lose XYZ pounds or kilograms next year, then you would be buying yourself a scale, for example. In general, what we're seeing, the amount of sales, it's like a Q4 season, peak season for those type of products. Everything that is healthy, again, the same thing. Everything that is supplement, it's the same thing. What else? So there are certain products that perform the best during Q1. Other products are never going to move. For selling in the pet niche, we never had the highest peak season. We had a product that if someone needs it, they need it. If you have the problem, you're going to buy it for your pet. If you don't, you don't. Or giving you another example for, again, pet products. Let's say you're going to buy cat litter. Now, cat litter, you're not going to buy extra during Christmas. You're not going to buy extra during Q1. Usually those sales are going to be steady all the time. So that's why I'm saying it's really important to know that there are certain products that never have peak seasons, and there are other products that are going to have the peak seasons, but their peak seasons, instead of Q4, it's going to be Q1. And how do we deal with these type of seasons? We have to acknowledge them, right? There are certain seasons, like for example, Valentine's Day's items. I know a friend of ours was selling specifically for Valentine's Day some products, and only during Valentine's Days, that was the month that it worked best, and that was it. The rest of the year, he did not sell those products. So that was their approach. Other big products, let's say Christmas lights. Everyone is into Christmas lights right now in November when they want to purchase those products. So that's why I'm saying that it's really dependent. If it's a seasonal product, then you acknowledge that, and probably you're going to just stay realistic with yourself, look into your search volume. Probably during peak season, it's going to be super high, and when it's not peak season, it's going to drop. You cannot generate more search for something that people are not looking for. So the angle maybe there would be to sell it in a different way, maybe create more auto campaigns if you want to see like how would people look for it, but I would not push for additional ad budget to make something that's not converting.